How's it going, guys? Fernie J here. Let's do a quick breakdown of today's trading day. As always, we're trading the same pair every single day until we master this. We trade Dow, US 30, Forex, whatever. Go ahead and do what I did. Mark out your previous day highs and your previous day low. Previous trading day was Friday. Now, if you understand anything about liquidity, market opened up. Oh, sorry guys. Let me move this here for you so you can see what's going on here. Market opened up with a huge impulse move to the upside with a rejection. All of this is going to serve as liquidity. What happens when we drop down to the 4-hour time frame? This is called a liquidity grab. All of the buy side liquidity was taken up and then institutions sold off, and they're now taking price to lower levels, seemingly. Now, we couldn't have known that beforehand. So today, what we did is we marked out the previous day high and the low. Previous day high is marked out right here. We're going to go ahead and differentiate this by making it a thicker line, right? So liquidity grab, London manipulates overnight. This is our 15-minute time frame. We look for entries on the 5 and the 1-minute bar chart. So now we're at the 1-minute chart, which we're going to gauge an entry. Price manipulated upward at the open yesterday on Sunday. Overnight manipulated downward. We made a break of structure to the upside. Liquidity was grabbed, sold down overnight, and then we had a testing of the previous day high, overall breaking the structure. So this will now be a great entry point. Now, we're gauging an entry on the 1 and the 5-minute. When we take a look at the 1-minute chart, price opens up. We go down to the 5-minute chart and we mark out our key levels. This is 1. One key level. Two key levels. We have 2 significant key levels for this trading day. Price breaks the previous day high, comes down, and now as a trader, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing that our zone got hit. We had a manipulation to the high, acting as an area of supply, and then we had an immediate rejection. So that's what we gauged on the 5-minute chart. When we go down to the 1-minute chart, this is where we entered at 9:31, 9:32, 9:33, 5 minutes post open. We had a big rejection candle followed by 3 rejection wicks, meaning that there's sell side pressure. What is our confluences? The testing of the previous day high, the liquidity which was ran through overnight, meaning we are going to go to the downside today, or at least we're biased to the downside. It's all probability, but that gives us an edge. And then we have these rejection candles, and we targeted a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward today, and we profited. Very simple. What did I do? I used simple supply demand concepts, breakup structures, and liquidity. Liquidity is everything. This is liquidity. Look, I'm going to jump up. So we have what we did for the day, how we profited today, right? I'm going to jump up to the daily chart. Everything is liquidity. When we're talking about ICT, we're talking about a specific type of movement. That's liquidity. Anything up here is liquidity. So when we say liquidity, what do we mean? Well, we're usually referring to ICT or smart money concepts, which basically means institutions will run through previous highs. This is the 4-hour chart. They will run through previous highs, taking out all the stops, and then getting in at better levels. This is a perfect sample of buy-side liquidity. This was the last zone of supply, acting as a lot of orders are going to be stopped. Or a lot of orders are going to be placed at this high. So naturally, it would serve institutions and smart money to get in at a much better level. So we're going to have a run through all the highs. It could also be lows. In this instance, it was a high. And then price is going to go down to where the market actually wants to go. And that is how we're going to establish a bias. So we're going to use liquidity, structures, key levels. And we're going to use all of that as confluence to enter our trades. What was our confluence today? The break, the liquidity, the buy side liquidity being ran through, coming back down to the previous day high, breaking it, coming back up, testing it. That's our second confluence. And then we had 3 rejection candles serving as an indication that there's sell side pressure. So we enter for a 1 to a 1.5 and we profited $1,200 today. Simple. So if you like my trading style, if you like my videos, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. If people are getting into trading and want to see how I trade, you follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Fernie J Trades. And yeah, stay tuned. More breakdowns are going to come through. I'm going to start live streaming soon as well. If you guys are interested in that, leave a comment, let me know. And let's get after it, man. Let's do it. Monday morning with the win.